mean? What do you mean? My savings box is empty. That's strange.
Are you sure, James?
Yes. I checked twice.
Calm down, please. I am very upset. When did you see it last?
Yesterday night.
Yesterday night.
Did anyone come here?
Only the neighbor.
The neighbor?
Sasuze misto.
He was near your room window. Why was he there?
He said he was looking for his cat.
That is not true. Teeter true.
Don't jump to conclusions.
But my money is gone. This is serious. Let's think carefully. Let's think carefully.
I know what I saw.
We need proof. Dat is uitproefkomrogheid.
I will find it. I will help you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Please don't fight.
Is someone going outside?
I just want the truth.
Truth is important.
Yes, very important. Let's check the room. Good idea. Look, the box is broken. That is not normal.
Someone forced it open.
Oh no. I feel angry. Stay calm. I won't stay quiet.
We will solve this.
Did you tell anyone? No, only family knows.
The neighbor needed money. Yeah. 20.
That's true.
So it was him. Yo was Dad.
We don't know yet.
I will ask him.
Be respectful.
I will go with you.
Okay.
Excuse me, we need to talk.
What's wrong?
What's wrong? My money is missing. Oh,
That's not my problem.
you were near our window.
So what?
So what? Did you take it?
No. Daquin, dare you? How dare you?
Please tell the truth. I won't.
I said no.
Then why is the box broken?
I don't know.
You look nervous.
I am not.
You are lying! It's bang!
Listen. Watch your words.
Calm down, both of you. I need answers.
You are just a kid.
It's an ace day.
But I know the truth.
Let's go home.
No, not yet.
Show me your bag.
That's rude.
James, stop! I can't.
Get out of my yard. That's not a sire style.
Not until I know. This is getting bad. This is getting confronting bad.
I don't care.
What happened?
They argued a lot.
James, calm down.
He is hiding something. We need a smart plan. I am ready. Let's check cameras.
Good idea.
Yes, the camera. Let's watch it. Look, someone enters.
That's him.
It is the neighbor. Oh no.
He took the box.
He took the box.
This is proof.
We must talk again.
This time, I won't stop. Stay calm, please. I will try. We have proof.
We had proof? What proof?
The camera shows you.
That is impossible.
You took my money.
Please tell the truth.
Say it.
Yes, I took it.
Why did you do it?
I needed money.
You stole from us.
I am sorry.
Sorry is not enough.
Sorry is not enough. I know.
I feel ashamed.
You should.
Did he admit it?
Yes.
Yes.
That is very sad.
He said sorry. Trust is broken. I feel hurt.
You were brave, James.
Thank you. You did the right thing.
I wanted justice.
I wanted justice. But stay kind.
I will try.
I will try.
What should we do now?
Give him a chance? I don't trust him.
That is normal.
People can change.
Maybe. He looked sorry.
I hope it's true.
I hope it's true.
Suze?
I am here to return the money.
Oh, come in.
Is it all there?
Yes, every dollar.
Thank you for returning it.
I am deeply sorry.
Why did you lie? I was afraid.
Will you change?
Yes, I promise.
Promises are serious.
I understand.
We need time to trust again.
I accept that.
I forgive you. Slowly.
Thank you.
This is a lesson.
Yes.
Yes. People must be honest.
I agree.
Lies destroy trust.
Truth builds it. I learned my lesson.
I learned my lesson.
Good.
Good.
Don't repeat it. One.
I won't.
We will support you. Thank you.
Thank you.
But no more lies.
Yes. Never again. Never again.
I feel better now. I feel better now. Me too.
Peace is back.
Finally.
Thank you for giving me a chance.
Don't waste it.
Neighbors stay strong together.
Yes! Truth is powerful. Always.
Even when it hurts.
It is necessary.
I will remember this day.
Me, Jesse, you.
Me too.
We faced a hard time.
But we stayed together.
That is what matters.
Family first.
Family first.
Thank you for not giving up on me.
Learn and grow.
We believe in change.
But trust takes time.
This is a new start. Oh.
This is a new start.
Yes.
Be honest always.
I will.
I will.
Truth brings peace. Always.
Always.